Welcome to Bright Beats, and today's topic is A to Z letters. A. A for apple. A for apple. A for apple. B. B for ball. B for ball. B for ball. C. C for car. C for car. C for car. D. D for dog. D for dog. D for dog. E for eraser. E for eraser. E for eraser. F. F for fruits. F for fruits. F for fruits. G. G for grapes. G for grapes. G for grapes. H. H for hat. H for hat. H for hat. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J. J for juice. J for juice. J for juice. K. K for kite. K for kite. K for kite. L. L for lion. L for lion. L for lion. M. M for mango. M for mango. M for mango. N. N for nest. N for nest. N for nest. O. O for orange. O for orange. O for orange. P. P for pencil. P for pencil. P for pencil. Q. Q for coin. Q for coin. Q for coin. R. R for rainbow. R for rainbow. R for rainbow. S. S for shoes. S for shoes. S for shoes. T. T for tiger. T for tiger. T for tiger. U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V. V for violin. V for violin. V for violin. W. W for watch. W for watch. W for watch. X. X for Xmas. X for Xmas. X for Xmas. Y. Y for yak. Y for yak. Y for yak. Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Thanks for watching.